morning, my dear students.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm
fine.
fine.
I'm good.
How about you?
I'm very well, thanks. So before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray start. Pray end. Is there anyone absent today?
There is no absent today, Miss.
No, Miss.
Very good. Now let me share screen about our material today. So can you see the slide, my students?
Yes, Miss, I can see the slides.
Yes, Miss.
Very good. Okay, today we are going to learn about transportations. So before we continue the lesson, can you mention the name of transportations that you already know?
Can I try, Miss?
Yes, Wipa, please.
Like a car.
Very good. And how about Dipa? Can you mention it?
Bus and plane, Miss.
Yeah, great. And how about Jagat? Can you mention?
Submarine and air balloon.
Yeah, there are so many transportations that you already know, right? And now I provide a short definitions of the transportations. All right, transportations is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. And there are three kinds of transportations, such as land transportations, water transportations, and air transportations. Next, we will have discussion sessions. So here I provide three kinds of transportation, such as land transportations, water transportations, and air transportations. And please discuss it in group to write the example of these three kinds of transportations. But before that, can you tell me how many students in this class, my students?
There are 3 students in each class, Miss.
Okay, I think all of you can work in one group. And please choose your leader. Who is your leader, my students?
Wipa, Miss.
Okay, the leader is Suharwipa. And in the end of the discussions, I will invite Wipa to report the finding discussions. But I will remind you, each member of the group has responsibility to join the discussion, right? And
Miss.
I give you 5 minutes to discuss about these three kinds of transportations. Do you get my point, my students?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes, Miss.
very good. And the time start from now. Do you find anything difficult in your discussions, my students?
I'm sorry, Miss. I feel difficult in finding the water transportation.
Okay, Dipa, in this slide, I already give the clue by giving the pictures of the example of transportations, and you can use it as the reference. Please look at the picture. And then, Wipa and Jagat, can you help Dipa to find the answer?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, very good. Now, please continue your discussions. Okay, because the time is up. So the leader of the group, please report your finding discussions. Wipa, the time is yours.
All right, thank you. So there are 3 kinds of transportation here. For the first picture is a land transportation such as a car, bus, bicycle, car, truck, train, taxi, pickup car, and pedicab. For the second is water transportation such as ship, yacht, boat, tanker, submarine, and sailing boat. For the last is the air transportation such as plane, helicopter, rocket, jet, and air balloon. Thank you, Miss.
Good job, guys. So, based on your discussion, is there something that you make still confused, my students?
No, Miss. Everything is
No,
clear.
Miss.
No, Miss.
All right, because the learning time is up, so I will evaluate today's learning. Based on this, your discussion sessions, I think all of you already understand about the transportations, and I do appreciate that. Please give applause to yourself, my students. Then I want to conclude today's material. So today we already learned about transportations, the definition of transportations, the kind of transportations, and also the example of transportations. And do you still remember about the example of land transportations, my students?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Can you mention it?
Can I try, Miss?
Yeah, Dipa, about land transportations.
Land transportation such as car, train, bicycle, bus, and pickup car, Miss.
Yeah, very good. And how about the water transportations?
Can I answer, Miss?
Yeah, Wipa.
Water transportation such as tanker, boat, ship, and yacht.
Very good. And Jagat, can you mention the air transportation?
Yes, Miss. Helicopter, airplane, and air balloon.
Yeah, good answer. And I think enough for today. So see you next week, my students. Thank you.
You are welcome,
See you,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
See you.